Picture this, a weekend pop-up with a $24 bestseller. Staff add a $6 curated add-on at checkout that looks like a tiny, irresistible upgrade. Conversions stay steady, but average order value jumps 25%, and margin per transaction climbs 8 points after fulfillment. That moment when a tiny change makes a real dent in revenue, that's what we built today's episode around. Humans love this stuff, and today we show you how to make it happen without killing margin. Quick emotional payoff. You can lift AOV without turning to site-wide discounts and keep margins healthy. That's the payoff for small teams who need results fast. Let's walk the routine.
Pattern detected. The first thing to lock down is signal. Collect only what customers consent to, keep signals coarse and actionable, and retain them briefly. Think consented cadence tags, coarse intent markers like browsing or ready to buy, and complaint or return bans so we don't suggest something to someone who's already unhappy.
Operational defaults we recommend. Personalization retention at 7 days, and when you store any micro signal, hash it using HMAC SHA-256 before it touches marketing systems. That gives you privacy-first personalization without long-lived profiles.
Architecting the fix. Don't over-index on data. Simple signals plus a small rules engine wins. Also, build a guardrail. Block any automated bundle that projects less than 20% margin after fulfillment friction. If your automation suggests a bundle under that floor, require a human to vet it.
Okay, creatives, let's talk frames that sell. We have 3 low-risk archetypes that actually convert: a complementary add-on, a risk reduction pair, and a timed experience upgrade. Each one hits a different consumer instinct: value, safety, and FOMO. Complementary add-on, something small that extends the product. Example copy beat. Customers also love this for just $6 more. One-line takeaway. Make the add-on feel like the natural next thing. That's viral energy. Risk reduction pair. Pair a product with a protective or warranty-style item. Copy beat. Add our 30-day protection for only $8 to buy peace of mind. Takeaway? Sell certainty, not price. Timed experience upgrade. Limited time service or fast track option. Copy beat? Upgrade to priority fulfillment today and skip the line. Takeaway: time-boundedness drives quick yeses.
To support those frames, capture only consented micro-signals. A one-click "Would you like recommendations" toggle. A coarse intent flag when someone lingers 3+ product pages. Or a return ban when someone views returns policy. Keep retention to 7 days and always hash signals. Clarity achieved. Less signal, safer personalization, immediate value.
Now, the sheet first scoring. Keep it simple. Formula we use: value times fit divided by fulfillment friction. That translates to expected incremental revenue times product fit score divided by fulfillment cost friction. Build a column that projects margin post-fulfillment and block anything below 20%. Precision wins, but don't overcomplicate the math for a fast pilot. Practical rule: ephemeral evidence bundles are fine for trials. Those are bundles that exist only during the 21-day pilot and aren't yet visible in catalog APIs. If a bundle looks promising, promote it to permanent after manual vetting.
Pilot operations. Own this tightly. Assign a pilot owner, a fulfillment lead, and a customer-facing staff lead. Daily checks should include AOV delta, attach rate, margin impact, and fulfillment SLA. Cap suggested bundle quantities per day and publish a daily inventory digest so fulfillment never gets surprised. Let's streamline this. Systems never sleep. KPIs to watch: attach rate, AOV change, margin per transaction, fulfillment SLA misses. Rollback triggers we recommend: if attach rate exceeds expected by more than 50%, which may indicate stockout risk, or if fulfillment SLA misses increase beyond your threshold, pause the bundle immediately.
All right, panel, time for a live role play. Pick a real SKU, our $24 best-selling ceramic coffee mug. We'll run quick scoring and draft checkout copy. Stryker, run the sheet numbers out loud.
Deploying now. Candidate add-on, a curated mug cleaner and coaster pack at $6. Expected incremental revenue per attach, $6. Product fit score, 0.9 because it's directly relevant. Fulfillment friction, low. Add-on ships flat. Projected incremental margin after fulfillment, about 28%. That clears the 20% floor. That's a keeper as a suggest-only bundle.
Nice! Copy for checkout. Complete your mug moment for just $6. Includes cleaner and coaster. Add now to keep it pristine. Staff one-liner for in-person or chat. Want the mug cleaner and coaster with that? It's only $6 and keeps it looking new. Creativity unlocked.
Simulate sale. Customer adds mug. Sees the suggest only prompt. Accepts add-on. Fulfillment Digest shows 3 add-ons today. Inventory cap set at 30 for the pilot. No SLA hits. Monitor daily and adjust cap if attach rate grows unexpectedly.
A quick privacy note for the rollout. The Suggest UI should open with explicit consent copy, like we'll use a one-time signal to suggest relevant add-ons for 7 days. Opt out anytime. When storing that signal, HMAC SHA-256 it with a server key. Keep it ephemeral and avoid joining it to long-term CRM unless you get explicit opt-in.
Rapid deployables time. 3 checkout copy snippets you can paste right now. 1. Customers also love this for just $6 more. 2. Add 30-day protection for $8 and buy peace of mind. 3. Upgrade to priority fulfillment today and skip the line. Use the one that fits your bundle archetype and keep the button copy action-oriented.
Starter spreadsheet, columns for SKU, candidate add-on SKU, fit score 0 to 1, incremental revenue, fulfillment friction cost, projected margin, and automated block flag if margin less than 20%. Formula example. Projected margin equals quantity incremental revenue minus fulfillment cost, quantity closed, divided by quantity base price plus incremental revenue, quantity closed, times 100. Keep the math visible and simple.
21-day checklist highlights are on apexblue.com/microbundle/starter. But the quick version, Day 0, assign owners and caps. Day 1, launch suggest only. Daily checks for inventory and KPIs. Day 7, interim review. Day 14, manual vetting of high performers. Day 21, decide to scale or roll back. Rollback triggers, attach rate greater expected plus 50%, or fulfillment SLA misses beyond acceptable limits.
Before we close, 3 actionable insights you can use this week. 1. Pick a low-risk bundle archetype and write a single checkout snippet. 2. Score 10 candidate bundles in a simple spreadsheet and block automated bundles projecting under 20% margin. 3. Run a 21-day suggest-only pilot with a strict cap and daily inventory digest.
Remember the privacy first rules: consent, 7-day retention, and HMAC SHA-256 hashing. Keep signals coarse so you get value without creating creepiness.
And enforce human vetting for any automated suggestion that skirts the margin floor. Automation should amplify judgment, not replace it. That's a solvable bottleneck.
If you want the starter spreadsheet, the 3 copy snippets as live text, and the 21-day rollout checklist, go to apexblue.com/micro-bundle-starter. Let the process lead. Run it tight, watch the KPIs, and iterate.
All right, friends, that's a wrap. Visit apexblue.com/micro-bundle-starter to grab the templates and rollout checklist. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay ahead.